Some days are harder than others, but remember, you are doing great. And be strong and keep going. Better days are right around the corner. So, how are you, friends? This is Momita, and you are watching Moki Life with Smile. So, I have a cloudy weather today. Here is too cold. How you are feeling in this weather? Like I'm getting very much cold. I'm thinking to make some fire and to enjoy like in front of fire. So like today as usual I came up with two new English words which I have learned as the English learner. Whatever I am learning I am sharing with you. So before that I want to say that I hope you all are fit and fine. I am also good, and a very good afternoon to all of you. So let's back to the point. Today I have learned two new English words and both are verb and very common and easy. So the first one is lurk, L-U-R-K, lurk. It is a verb. It means like উৎপেতে থাকা বা লুকিয়ে থাকা. Its Bengali meaning is উৎপেতে থাকা বা লুকিয়ে থাকা. So if I explain it in English, if I explain it in English, then like if someone is lurks somewhere, if someone is lurk somewhere, it means that that person is hidden, that person is secretly hidden and don't want to be seen, and they don't want to be seen, and they are doing something bad. So that called lurk. I tried my best to make you understand. And if I make an example with this lurk, then I can make like I used to lurk behind my father. I used to lurk behind my father when my mom scolded me. I used to lurk behind my father when my mom or mother scolded me. আমি আমার বাবার পিছনে লুকিয়ে থাকতাম. ইফ আই কনভার্ট ইট ইন বেঙ্গলি, আমি আমার বাবার পেছনে লুকিয়ে থাকতাম যখন আমাকে আমার মা বকাবকি করতো, বা আমাকে যখন আমার মা বকাবকি করতো আমি আমার বাবার পিছনে লুকিয়ে থাকতাম. So this was the first one, the first verb or like word with like example I have shared. And the second one is ponder, P-O-N-D-E-R, ponder. Ponder is also a verb. The spelling is P-O-N-D-E-R, ponder. It means like its Bengali meaning is চিন্তা করা, ভেবে দেখা, and its English meaning is think carefully. Think carefully. So if I make an example with that, like please ponder before dealing this. Please ponder. You should ponder before doing this work. You should ponder before doing this work. You should ponder before doing this work. তুমি কাজটি করার আগে ভালোভাবে চিন্তা করো. তুমি কাজটি করার আগে ভালোভাবে চিন্তা করো. Bengali meaning was that. Bengali like this English sentence I have shared, and the Bengali if I say in Bengali, then like কাজটি করবার আগে তোমার চিন্তা করা উচিত. You should ponder before doing this work. You should ponder before doing this work. কাজটি করবার আগে তোমার চিন্তা করা দরকার. So I tried my best to make you understand. The first word was lurk, L-U-R-K, lurk, and the second one is ponder. Both are verb. So I hope you guys like my new words which I have learned and shared already with you. So this is all for today's video. See you in the next video. So before that I want to say like whatever materials I am sharing you will get in description box. And if you're watching from YouTube, then please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon if you liked my video, and don't forget to like, comment and share. And if you're watching from Facebook, then please follow me and don't forget to like, comment and share. So bye for now. See you in the next video. Bye, and thank you so much for watching.